Hey guys, and welcome to the Family Fudge. I'm Jennifer, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing part 2 of our week in Utah. Now, if you guys have not seen part 1 of this video, I'll pop a card in right here. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing part 2, and I'm finally going to get to show you why we came to Utah in the first place.
Good morning, girls! So the first stop on our list today is to get haircuts for these girls. They haven't had a haircut in a long time. Turn around and show us how long hair is. Super long. Oh, thank you, sister. So are you looking for just a shorter style or something completely different? What do you think you want to do? Shorter? What about you? Shorter? Should we go on in?
Yep.
We stopped at this place called Cookie Cutters for Kids in Lehigh. It's supposed to be really fun inside. So let's go. Look how beautiful it is outside. I love the mountains in Utah. So pretty. How you doing, miss? Look at that. She's lost several inches. Looking good. See, turn around, turn around. I love it, so good. Let me see the front. You look so much older. So now that we're all done with the girls' haircuts, we're all gonna head to a really fun museum. We've never been there before. It's called the Natural Curiosities Museum. It's located in the Thanksgiving Point area in Lehigh.
Hello.
Hi, Griffin, are you ready?
Uh-huh.
I'm really hungry. Are you guys hungry?
Yeah.
Let's do lunch first and museum after.
Okay.
Okay? So the kid combo choices are grilled cheese, hot dog, mac and cheese, ham and cheese, cheeseburger, chicken, or quesadilla. They also can pick one side, and they can also pick a drink. I'm guessing most of them are gonna pick chocolate milk because they love that in kids' meals. Hey guys, what'd you pick?
Hot dog.
What'd you pick?
Hot dog.
And you?
Green cheese.
Green cheese? Okay, what about for your side?
Waffle fries.
Waffle fries. What about you?
Go-gurt.
Okay, and what about
I'll
you?
have waffle fries.
Okay, and for your drink?
I'll have chocolate milk. Chocolate milk. Chocolate milk.
I knew you were gonna say chocolate milk. Now, I'm not actually gonna be ordering any food, but I would like to get a drink because in Utah, at a lot of places, you can get your soda and then you can add any kind of flavoring you want to enhance it. So things like vanilla syrup, coconut, raspberry, orange, blackberry, and peach. You can add a little bit of that to your soda and it makes it so good. Definitely a Utah thing. Here's Jackson's. Looks pretty good. And Kenzie's. Those look like Chick-fil-A fries to me. Do they taste like Chick-fil-A fries? They do? And yours? Yours look so good with the grilled cheese. Yum.
That's not from us.
Pretty good. Definitely more convenient. Just buy it here. Is that your mac and cheese? Show me how you eat it. Good job. Oh, is it hot? Okay, just wait. Okay, lunchtime is over. Time to go check out the museum. Are you ready? Let's go. It's time! Whoa, so far this is already amazing. There's this whole section, and then over here, an entire other section. Super cool, let's go check it out. Oh, the kids are going to love this place, I can tell already. There are so many different things to do. What should we do first?
Rainforest.
First, we're going to the rainforest. Good morning, guys, and happy Friday. So yesterday's museum was so awesome. We ended up spending like hours. We were there for a long time. It was so fun, and it was awesome because the kids' grandparents were with us, so it was just a fun time.
So today is the first day of CBX Live, which is a YouTuber conference, but there are also classes for the creators as well. And the kids aren't going to be joining us until after lunch. So I'm gonna go ahead and make their lunch now before I have to head out the door. So for today's lunch, I'm starting off with some really good quality bread. This is famous in Utah, and this is like the closest thing you can get to homemade bread. It's really that good. And the texture is just like homemade bread as well. So today I'm gonna be throwing together some classic sandwiches. I'm starting with a little drizzle of mayonnaise. I'm gonna try not to get too much on here. Next, I'm adding a slice of Colby Jack cheese, followed by a couple slices of smoked turkey, and adding some lettuce. And now if you missed yesterday's video, I mentioned that we're in an Airbnb that doesn't have any kitchen stuff. No cutting boards, no cups, no mixing bowls, no utensils, so I have very limited resources to make these lunches, but that's okay, I'm still gonna make it work. I ended up having to buy a few things at the Dollar Tree, but check it out, you guys. I was still able to throw this really cute lunch together with very few materials. In this back section here, I added the sandwiches. Over on this side, I added some baby carrots. In the fruit section, I went ahead and added some whole strawberries and blueberries. And then in this big section, I added half of a banana. And then right next to that, I've also added some barbecue flavor pop chips. Now these are actually really hard to find in Florida. Now I'll go ahead and show you the bag. These are just the sea salt ones because the kids have already eaten all of the barbecue ones. But yeah, they look like this. They're super good. And then to go along with that, I also let each kid pick out their own juice bottle. This one is Mackenzie's and she picked out Elsa. Okay guys, so here we are at CBX Live. I'm sitting here with some awesome ladies, including Meg from the channel Love Meg, Amanda from the channel This Crazy Life, Kimmy from Choosing Her Apron, and Candace from the channel Fancy That with Candace. So here's the setup for lunch for creators at this event. Then over here, there's another mountain of lunches. We literally have a bunch of lunches over here. Kimmy, what are you having for lunch today?
I can't decide.
What's
they
available?
all sound good. There's Caesar, there's turkey, there's veggie. Can I just have one of each?
I think so. So for my lunch today, I decided on the chicken Caesar salad. Looks like it comes with a little cookie. And those tomatoes, I'll definitely not be eating those, but looks pretty good. Okay, lunchtime is over and the kids have come to join us. Hi kids! Are you excited to meet some people?
Yeah.
Let's go. So here we are in the meet and greet section. So a lot of your favorite YouTubers are probably in here and you can go up and meet whoever you want. Over here we have Brooklyn and Bailey. Over in this booth we have the Sharers. I found the Kids Fun TV booth. We love those guys. Hi! Over here we have our favorite shot of the Jaegers. Kenzie, do you want to go see shot of the Jaegers? They're right over there.
Okay.
You ready to go say hi?
Okay.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Now this big, long, huge line is for that YouTube family. I can't wait to meet them. We definitely need to get in this line. There she is.
You asked for. Okay, let's see you do it. Ready? Okay, that's believable. Now you act like it's gonna go. There you go.
Very nice. Did you get to hold the creepy doll? Was it scary?
No.
No. That's cool.
It's real.
Yeah, it's not real. 1, 2, 3, cheers!
Good morning and happy Saturday. Hi guys.
Can you say good morning?
Good morning.
Today is the last day of CBX, but before we go there, we want to stop and pick up some canned food. They're doing a food drive at this event, so I definitely want to pick up a few things so we can donate them. So you're in charge of canned fruit, you're in charge of mac and cheese, you're in charge of peanut butter, and you're in charge of SpaghettiOs, since you love SpaghettiOs. Okay, no, don't forget, because I'm going to forget, so you remember.
And Mom,
What are you supposed to be getting?
SpaghettiOs.
What are you supposed to be getting? Peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
And what are you getting?
Mac and cheese.
And what are you getting?
Canned fruit.
Yeah, because you love canned fruit. It's perfect.
My favorite canned fruit is the oranges.
The oranges, like the little mandarin oranges? We should definitely get some of those. Let's go. Don't forget, we also need to pick up something for your lunch because we are out of groceries and I still need to give you lunch today. So maybe we should get Lunchables?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm seeing a ton of mac and cheese here. What kind should we get?
Maybe those kinds.
Maybe just the classic kind? Okay, Jackson, can you get 5 boxes?
Let's get a unicorn one.
Unicorn ones?
I'm gonna get 2 unicorn ones.
Whoa. Okay, put them in.
And I'm also getting 2 Paw Patrol.
Good choice.
And 1 thick and creamy.
Ooh, put it in. Good job. Kenzie, the SpaghettiOs are over here. Okay, we need to get 4 of these, but what if we get the Belle ones and the Ariel ones and the Star Wars ones?
for kids.
Yeah, we should get those. Of course, we have some other snacks in here too.
So kids
The kids picked out some muffins. Lily picked out some pretzels.
Can I get these ones?
Yeah, make sure you get the ones that say that they're not in syrup. Let's not get those ones. We want the ones in fruit juice. Those are better.
I'm getting 2 oranges, 2 peels, and 2 peaches.
Good choices. Put them in. Okay, guys, we have almost everything. We still need our peanut butter and something for lunch. Let's go. Okay, Griffin, we need at least 2 things of peanut butter.
What?
Yep, grab it. Can you put it in? This is just good old classic creamy peanut butter. Let's get 2 creamy ones and we'll get 2 chunky ones. Yep, one more. One more. Good job. And then Jackson, can you help him get 2 of the blue ones? Get 2 blue ones. Good job. Oh no! Did you drop it? Oh no, it's okay. It didn't break. Oh, but Lily has it. Good job, Lily. Put it in.
Here's this.
Good job. High five. High five, high five. Good job. Hey, you too. Okay, we're gonna pick something for lunch.
Nutella.
We just searched the entire store for Lunchables and we finally found them. Yay! So here's the one that Griffin picked out. It's just the classic Lunchable with crackers and cheese. Of course, this one comes with a drink and gummy worms. I'm pretty sure that's why he really wanted this one. Both Lily and Jackson picked out the pizza and treatza Lunchable. This one has a little cheese pizza and a cookie pizza. So fun. And it also comes with the Capri Sun flavored water. And then Mackenzie chose this one. This tends to be her favorite Lunchable. She pretty much always picks this every time. This comes with the make your own sandwich, drink, chips, and kisses. Okay, we finished up at the store. We have our lovely helper with us today. So we're gonna go ahead and drop off our food donation. Then the kids are gonna go play and I have a class to go to. So let's go, guys. Pick it up, girl. Oh, is it so heavy? Yeah, I'll hold it. It's really heavy. Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Ow, that was my foot. Oh, well, let's go. So here we have April and Davey's bus. We're gonna fill it with food for the food bank. Are you guys ready? It's super heavy, but you can do it. Here's the back of the bus. Oh, wow, look it. You could probably just put it down right there. That's fine. All right. Awesome.
Fill in the bus. Nice work,
Yeah,
guys.
thank you.
You guys are awesome. Thanks for hauling this.
Awesome. Good job, guys. Let's go have some fun.
Now just time. Let's go.
Okay guys, so for the rest of the day, the kids hung out with other YouTube kids. They got to go on bouncy houses and eat cotton candy. And I went back to class, and one of my favorites was one taught by Rachel from the Ohana Adventure. I learned so many great tips there. Overall, we had such a good time at CVX Live. So thank you so much for watching this week of lunches, and we'll see you next time.